So I'm walking by myself this lonely road. Alright guys, so since I have some time and stuff to talk to you guys, let me just tell you guys what has been happening, some updates and stuff like that. I missed the week of Vlogmas. Yeah. Sorry. So it was a rough week, but basically what happened, I went to work every day, I had exams, I cleaned, and I really didn't, to be honest, sometimes I didn't remember, and when I did remember, it was too late, so I kind of didn't bother with last week, so yeah, that's a loss. Yeah guys, so right now I am why are these people driving so madly? Anyways guys, so right now I am going to Maypen. I am gonna do some shopping. Yes, I forgot, I did not get to buy my sheet and my curtains, so I'm gonna Maypen. We're gonna buy those and buy other stuff that we need to buy. So
I think you guys are too excited.
Hey guys, so I forgot to end the vlog yesterday, so I'm coming on here just to end it. So yesterday we went kinda shopping. I went to buy myself my sheet and a curtain to hang up in my room. So I got that, and you guys will see that in my clean with me vlog probably tomorrow. So yeah, see you guys then.
Feeling Christmas all around, and I'm trying to play it cool, but it's hard